Jeff Killian for the VTC here. This is actually a continuation of recording we just made a few minutes ago, or terminated a few minutes ago. I want to draw this level down here. At this point, we've reached the 1 minute level. Now at this point, as you can see, the previous shakeout took place, another one through the incremental level at 24,327. And now we're going to see how prices react at the 24,301 1 minute level here. Will this be another shakeout? What we're looking for here is if prices can hold below the 24,301 level at this juncture, there may be another leg to the downside that we can capitalize on. The indicators across the board at this time are clear. This remains to be seen. And if not, then there will be one more shakeout for a total of 1 here, 2 here, and then 3 here. Okay, let's see if prices hold at or about this level and significant volume comes into the downside or not. Trading a few ticks above 24301. Copy that. Line the session low here for a moment, right here. Get rid of this. I really want prices to power through the session low at 24259. The next target to the downside, if that happens, will be right at 24203, which is right here. That's a good move. Free and clear from the session low down to 24203. A lot of points on the table there. Let's see how this plays out. It's 9:03. There's still enough time for this to happen if that's the way it's going to go. We'll get this back in. So the preferred entry will be a few ticks below 24259. Correction, session low 24260. Now, this does not mean, people, that this is exactly where we're going to be in. It means that that is the best possible entry to capture the highest profit out of the trade. So this is the best possible area to be in the trade. This is the best possible area to be out. But all the indicators from our end here, and once again, including our proprietary indicators that we're using here with the VTC, will have to fire at that time in order for that decision to be made. The probe is there, market, sell. We're clear across the board, and order filled. And we're looking for the move down to 24203 traders. Now, I would imagine if the prices get down that far to 24203, that's as far as they'll go um, before the market opens. Historically speaking, this is what happens. We're down 115, 175, 200. We're aware of that. We're hanging on to this trade because we still believe at this point there's a high probability that these prices will continue to trade down. And now, as you can see here, the additional volume has come in. Our indicators remain clear to stay short. The time is now 9:06 a.m. on April 30th, 2020. Again, trading Dow E-Mini futures, YM, symbol, near contract month, 620. Okay, right about now, we'd be looking for more institutional volume come in. At the end of the day, as they say in London, what we really want to do here is to find, track, and trade the largest institutions who can and do move prices from one level to another. If we do not have the institutions on our side, or if we're not on the right side of the institutions, better said, then the probability of the percentages that we want to pull in on a daily basis and on a monthly basis and on a yearly basis get greatly diminished. So we need to find, track, and trade these people in the moment. And this is exactly what we're doing here right now. Good. No need to be out yet. Still clear across the board. We understand that we have an extended hold time on this trade. The prices may not be moving as quickly as we'd like them to, but understand the scenario with which we're in. The market has been in a major sell-off most of the overnight session. We're close to equities market opening at 9:30, and prices are moving slower because of the overextended various legs to the downside. Now, because we're at pretty much a 50% level between here at 24,260 and 24,203, if I say any weakness come in, meaning any positive volume come into the upside, I would look to be out of this trade as fast as I can to lock in the profit that I've been waiting for. Just about there. 725 and 785. Okay, just about there. There we go. Okay, that's some positive volume just came in there. Not a lot, but some. 695.7. I'm going to take that off. So we just took that off. A lot of times your trades may not get to the expected price profit target, like today at 24203, but we're so close to market opening. And as you can see now, prices have traded up. So at that time, I did exactly what I was supposed to do as a professional, what we train people to identify with here, to get out, to lock in a profit, because that's our job. That's what we're supposed to do. And this is evidence of that type of training. Prices may move down, as we have seen many, many times before, to the expected price profit target of 24203, and on another day, another number. But at that time, I did what I was supposed to do. And obviously, this is something that can work for you as well. There is an awful lot of people who have been through the system. We have a major event coming up on June 15th, the expert market timing course, which is basically where it all begins. To become an expert market timer, whether you want to trade futures, stocks, ETFs, smear funds, right, or whatever you want to trade, one has to become an expert market timer first. We absolutely, positively have to know what is the current state of the market today. Are we net neutral? Are we short? Are we long? At what strength, numbered strength, stamped out, numbered level are we long or short? So now, as you can see, obviously the price have traded way up. So we'll just leave that unsaid for now. So this is Jeff Killian for the BTC. Myself and all my partners want to wish all of you a very safe journey through this current difficult time with the coronavirus. We don't get too personal, but it's important for all of us to protect ourselves so that we get back on our feet and we look for opportunities, real opportunities, to deal with the game changer that was thrown at us that we never expected. So my regards to you and all of your families. I hope everyone stays safe and protected. The time is now 9:12 a.m. at 4/30/2020. Signing off until the next recorded video comes through. Thank you for being with us.